Joy Pebble Nugget Ice Maker. Chill vibes, chewy ice, and zero hassle in 14 minutes flat. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the Joy Pebble Nugget Ice Maker. This countertop champion whips up 100 soft, chewy ice nuggets in just 14 minutes, perfect for chilling your drinks and enhancing the flavor. With a whopping daily output of 33 pounds, you'll never run out of ice, even on the hottest days or during the busiest gatherings. Compact yet powerful, it's designed to make your life cooler and your drinks tastier, all while saving you time and effort. Crafted with upgraded stainless steel, the Joy Pebble Ice Maker isn't just stylish, it's tough. This corrosion-resistant beauty thrives in any environment, making it a durable addition to your home or office. The sleek, non-porous surface is easy to clean and maintains its shiny, modern appearance. From its sturdy build to its high-tech functionality, this ice maker combines form and function in a way that's hard to beat. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets. The Joy Pebble Nugget Ice Maker features an intuitive control panel with smart indicators that alert you when water is low or the ice bin is full. Its self-cleaning mode, activated with a simple button press, ensures effortless maintenance. Equipped with a transparent lid, you can watch the magic happen without lifting a finger. Plus, the detachable ice basket and included scoop make serving a breeze. Convenience is built right in. Whether it's for a busy household, a party, or a quiet evening, the Joy Pebble Ice Maker delivers consistent performance without the annoying hum of traditional machines. Customers rave about its whisper-quiet operation and compact design, perfect for countertops of all sizes. Its infrared sensor pauses ice production when the bin is full, ensuring no spills or messes. This is peace of mind, with a side of perfectly chilled drinks. Why settle for anything less? The Joy Pebble Nugget Ice Maker offers premium features at a budget-friendly price. Made from food-grade materials for safety and durability, it's an investment in quality that pays off every day. Its versatility, reliability, and user-friendly design make it a standout in the world of portable ice makers. Whether you're hosting a summer soiree or just savoring an iced coffee, this machine promises to deliver and keep you cool in the process.